Hi there. Let me show you PopNeuron's newest gadget, our hexapod Hextron. It's this guy right here. And as you may know, hexapods have all sorts of useful applications, from positioning satellite dishes to listen to outer space. These would be hexapods that are the size of a house. And this much smaller version here is useful to position lasers and all sorts of other technological and laboratory equipment that needs to be positioned very precisely. So this guy right here, it comes with a software. We actually have 3 different softwares: MATLAB, Python, and a standalone software. And as I play with these buttons here, you can see how the hexapod moves in all sorts of directions. And that's what it does. Position your equipment on it and move it very precisely. The resolution is about 1/4 degree and about 1/4 millimeter, meaning 250 micrometers. Hope you enjoy our hexapod.